In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change outfits in Adobe Firefly. By the end, you'll know how to swap clothing in a photo using generative fill quickly and convincingly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly and press enter. From the search results, open the official Adobe Firefly website so you're in the right place to work. On the Firefly homepage, look for the option to generate and select it. This takes you into the Creative workspace. From there, choose Generative Fill. Generative fill is the tool that lets you modify specific parts of an image while keeping everything else intact, which is perfect for changing outfits without affecting the background or the person's face. Next, upload the image you want to edit. Choose a photo where the clothing is clearly visible and fairly well lit. The clearer the garment edges, the better the results. Once your image loads, you'll see a brush tool. Use that brush to paint over the clothing you want to change. Think of this as telling Firefly, only modify this area. Take your time here, zoom in to refine edges, adjust the brush size for tighter control, and try not to overlap onto skin, hair, or background. Clean selections help the AI blend the new outfit naturally with the original photo. Now enter your prompt. Keep it simple to start, like blue jacket, which is CAC, which is a great baseline. If you want more control, you can add brief descriptors such as denim texture, tailored fit, or sleek minimal style. Focus on color, fabric, cut, and overall vibe. Clear, concise language tends to produce more consistent results than long, complex sentences. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. Be patient while Firefly processes the request. You'll see a progress indicator as it analyzes lighting, perspective, and shadows to merge the new clothing with the existing scene. This can take a moment, especially with high-resolution photos. Once the result appears, check the edges around collars, sleeves, and hemlines. If anything looks soft or spills outside the clothing area, refine your brushed selection and try again with the same prompt. If the style isn't quite right, adjust your wording. Swap blue jacket for navy bomber jacket or specify soft knit sweater instead. Small prompt tweaks can make a big difference, and you can regenerate as needed until the outfit matches your vision. That's the complete process for changing outfits in Adobe Firefly, from search to setup to brushing, prompting, and generating clean results. Give it a try and enjoy transforming your photos with just a few thoughtful strokes and a clear prompt.